Good morning, dear students. We'll be starting a new chapter today. The name of the poem is Hiyatha. Hiyatha was a young red Indian boy. He belonged to a tribe. He was a tribal boy belonging to the tribe Red Indian. Okay. He lived with his old grandmother Nokomis in a wigwam. The name of the grandmother is Nokomis, and they lived together in a wigwam. You can see the picture of the tent in the video. This is a wigwam, this tent like structure. So there is a boy who is called Hiyatha. He is a red Indian boy, and there is his grandmother, old grandmother, whose name is Nokomis. Okay, Nokomis taught Hiyatha about the wonders around them. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. See, Hiyatha is a tribal boy. They are living close to a forest, so they are very near to the nature. Nokomis told him about the stars, all the natural things, about the trees. She taught him to love birds, to the animals, and many other things which are related to nature. Okay, Hiyatha did not go to proper school. It was his grandmother Nokomis who used to teach him many things. Hiyatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals and they to him. Because since birth वो उन्हीं के बीच में रहा है, तो he began to love them. He used to talk to the birds and the animals. वो उनसे बातें करते थे. They were his best friends. Then the little Hiyatha learned of every bird, its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Hiyatha's chickens. So this little boy called Hiyatha, because he was friends with the birds, उनकी लैंग्वेज सीख गया, उनके नेम्स उसको लर्न हो गए. ही लर्न अबाउट देयर सीक्रेट्स. क्या सीक्रेट्स हो सकते हैं बर्ड्स के, कि वो नेस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं समर सीजन में, विंटर में कहाँ जाके छुप जाते हैं. टॉक्ड विद देम वेन एवर ही मेट देम. हमेशा उनसे बातें करता था जब भी उनसे मिलता था, और लविंगली उनको हियाथास चिकन्स बुलाता था. चिकन्स आर द बेबीज़ ऑफ हेन. तो वो अपने बेबीज़ के तरह उनको ट्रीट करता था और बोलता था कि आप लोग हियाथा के चिकन्स हो. ओके, ऑफ ऑल बीस्ट्स. नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द एनिमल्स. birds के साथ साथ he used to love the animals also. Of all the animals he learned the language. उनकी भी इसने language सीख ली. He learned their names and all their secrets. उन्हीं के साथ रहता था, उन्हीं के साथ पला बड़ा. So he learned about their secrets also. अब secrets क्या हैं animals के? How the beavers are like big mouse, big rats. Okay, who build their lodges. वो अपना घर कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे फटाफट बरो बना लेते हैं, अपना होल्स बनाते हैं खोद खोद के. ठीक है. where the squirrels hid their acorns. acorns is a nut like thing जो squirrels गिलहरियाँ छुपाती कहाँ पे हैं. how the reindeer is the बारहसिंगा. आपको ये पिक्चर में दिख रहा होगा वो कैसे इतने स्विफ्टली, इतना क्विकली कैसे रन करता है. why the rabbit was so timid means quiet, जो डरता है, डरपोक टाइप्स. ठीक है. टॉक्ड विद देम वेन एवर ही मेट देम. उनसे भी बातें करता था जब भी वो उनसे मिलता था. एंड ही यूज टू कॉल देम हियाथाज ब्रदर्स. और वो एनिमल्स को ही यूज टू कॉल देम दैट यू आर लाइक माई ब्रदर्स. दिस पोएम हैज़ बीन रिटन बाय H.W. Longfellow students. And your task for today is you will write this poem in your notebook, draw a picture related to the poem, color it, also write the name of the poet H.W. Longfellow. Okay. Do this work in your notebook. Thank you.